EBSCOhost is a powerful online reference tool that offers a variety of full-text databases and popular databases from leading information providers. In this tutorial, we will look at conducting an advanced search on EBSCOhost using the guided style search boxes, as well as applying limiters and expanders. The guided style search boxes allow you to search for articles using different terms in varying article citation fields, such as subject, author, and title. Begin by entering a search term in the first search box, and then select a field to search from the drop-down list, such as subject terms. Guide your search using a second term, and choose the All Text field to have EBSCOhost look within the full text of all articles for your term. If you need more than 3 search boxes for your terms, you can click the plus button to add more. In the Search Options area, the Advanced Search screen offers additional search limiters for increased result refinement. For example, you can limit results to full-text articles published within a specified date range. Some limiters are unique to the database being searched. For example, the PsycInfo database includes special limiters like age groups, population group, and intended audience that are not found in other academic databases. When searching multiple databases at once, you will find special limiters for each database displayed separately below the common limiters. When you're done selecting limiters, click Search to view the result list. You can further refine your results using the options in the left-hand column. Results can be filtered by source type, such as academic journals, magazines, or newspapers, by clicking the checkboxes next to the desired source type. You can view your search terms, any applied limiters or expanders, and selected subject terms in the current search area. Print, email, save, cite, or export a single result from the detailed record. To print, email, save, cite, or export multiple results, add them to the folder. Then click the appropriate icon inside the folder. Folder contents can be permanently saved by clicking on the Sign In link, and then creating a personalized My EBSCOhost folder account at no charge. At any time, click the Help link to view the complete online help system.